Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a cheap way of fixing a worn out spindle on your front of your John Deere lawn tractor. These bearings right here, they're like $5 a piece on Amazon. They come in a kit of 4. Just order them up for 20 bucks. And as you see, this one here is loose and it wore. You don't even have to put a little heat on this cap and it should come out, but this one's pretty soft already. All you do is if it won't come off, just a little hook, pry it right off. Take your C-clip off here, washer, as you can see underneath there, it's all wore. Alright, put a punch on an angle, punch the bearings out, or the bushings, new bearings in, slot on top, put them in, they're in there, stick it back in. If it won't slide right on, you're going to have to file the ridges. Feel your finger if there's any ridges on there. You can file it, but I already filed mine. But put that in, and even it's all worn underneath, like there's hardly any play there. Pretty good. That'll last you a lifetime. Alright, put the clips in back in. Put your C-clips on. Cap on, clean it up a bit, make it look nice. That's it. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.